Hello guys and welcome to another video. In this video we will try to fix my robot, which you see is not working anymore. You see, unavailable, can't click any of the buttons in here. So what's the problem with this robot? After updating the 26.2, Home Assistant has deprecated the battery features within the vacuum robot itself. So if the battery feature is sent as a feature of the robot, Home Assistant will not accept it. It will break the whole robot. It now expects for the battery to be a special entity sensor. Now, because the Congatudo plugin hasn't been updated in a long time, so if we go to applications and we go to the plugin, this is the plugin that controls the robot. You see last update 2024, and because it hasn't been updated in a long time, it's not complying with the new rules enforced by Home Assistant. Now, to understand a little bit why is this going on, I installed MQTT Explorer. So what we're going to do now, we are going to create a new connection. Let's call it home, and you're going to put in here your server address. In my case, is the same as Home Assistant. And now to get the username and password, if you're using the Home Assistant MQTT plugin, what you do, you go to application now, and you go to MQTT and you go configuration, and you have in here login. Click on the pen in here, and then you get username, MQTT, and the password. You have to reveal the password to copy it, and you copy the password. Then go back in here, we say MQTT as the username, and we paste the password, and we are connected. Now we are interested on the first line in here, which is Home Assistant. So you see under the Home Assistant we have a bunch full of devices in here. Now we are interested in the vacuum, and this is the ID of my robot. And if we click again, now this is the line. This is the line that is breaking the robot. Supported feature battery. You see. Now what we need to do is copy this line in here, copy all this code in here, okay, and remove this line and paste it back. But we're going to do it better. So what you do to fix it temporarily, just remove this line from here and publish it again, and it will work. Okay, but in order to fix this long term, we need to create an automation. Okay, because every time the Home Assistant will reboot, it will break the configuration again. So what I did is I create an automation, this one, which is disabled. Okay, fix Congatudo MQTT discovery. So this is pretty simple. Okay, we have a trigger when Home Assistant is started. So every single time Home Assistant has started, we want to publish this payload MQTT. Okay, so what you do when Home Assistant started, then publish this. Publish this where? To this topic in here. Okay, Home Assistant vacuum merge cream rail vacuum config, which is exactly the path from here. See, Home Assistant vacuum merge rail merge cream rail vacuum and config. You see, and then we have this code in here, which is exactly this code in here. You see, with the exception that I removed the battery. You see, supported feature. And if we go and look in here, supported feature, it has the battery. So all I did is remove the battery from here. Okay, that's all I did. So I remove the battery from here and copy and paste the code in here. Save it. And now if I run this action, now keep in mind, let's go back in here. Let's go to clean. You see the robot is not working. You see nothing, unknown. You see unavailable, nothing is working here. So you can't click on this button here. See, can't. Now let's run this automation, and now if I go back in here, check it out. It says the robot is docked. It's beautifully working now. You see no errors. and I can click on this button in here. You see, I can click on these buttons and it's working now. Now I've got the code in here. This is the payload that you need to use. Okay, all you have to do is you have to change the unique identifier to match your robot. Okay, so you see this where I put in here your identifier here. You will need to get it from your device because this is unique for each device. So if you have the same robot of mine, you can go to Congatudo, then you click in here on the 3 lines, then you go down where it says connectivity, MQTT connectivity, and you see this is the identifier. So you copy this and you paste it wherever you see your identifier here. So you copy that and paste it in here like this, not obviously. So you copy this and you paste it in here, and then you paste it in here and in here, or you can just say in here, well, replace, and you set like this, you see, replace to all, and you will replace it to all. Okay, if you want to do it easier, but all you have to do is replace this with your own robot. Now this is one way of getting it from here. Another way of getting it is install MQTT Explorer, and you will get it in here. You see, merge cream rail. Another thing you have to change is where the topic is. So if you go to automation, let's go back to our automation. Here, you see, you will have to put in here as well, in here and in here, your ID. Okay, you're gonna publish this on your robot and not mine. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Okay, now after you do that, you enable it, you run it, and you will have the robot hopefully working like mine. Okay, so if you like the video, if you find it useful, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.